Hi there, my name is Deepak and today we're going to learn concatenate function in Excel. Let me give you some brief about the concatenate functions. Concatenate function can be used when you have multiple strings that you want to combine. Imagine the number of rows that you have and you want to combine that particular data. There are multiple ways of doing it using an AND function, but that becomes very cumbersome when you are trying to combine that data with the AND function. To replace that, to make it easy, we have concatenate function in the Excel that you can use and you can get the result very easily and very fast. So I'll directly go and show you how we can use the concatenate function. I've got a series of data over here. It's an ISIN which is broken into the multiple pieces. Now let's say you got a job to do and you have to combine these three rows, these three columns data into one. Now if you want to use AND function, that would be really very difficult. You will have to apply AND again and again. So I'll show you how you can do that with the AND, and then we can go ahead with the concatenate function, which would be very easy. Okay, this is the way you can also do it, but that would require you to enter each cell value separately, which is little cumbersome, because if you have a number of rows, like a number of columns into 10 or something like 20, then you're gonna have a lot of trouble doing so. So what you can do, you can use a concatenate function and you can easily combine the data. Now I'll show you how you can do that. So what you have to do, you have to enter equal to, then concatenate. You can see the formula. You can double click. Now you have to select each cell, first, second, third, close bracket, and done. This way you can combine the data very easily. Now as you can see, I have combined the ISIN into one. Now imagine you have a number of rows and you can do that. You need to combine that data. So by using concatenate function, you can combine multiple strings together. So this is the way you can do that. You can do concatenate function with the other functions, and you can use it as a sub function also. So it would be very useful for you. So thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.